and welcome to our next Innovaphone myApps tutorial. In this video, we will show you how you can use application sharing. This is one component of the phone app and the soft phone app and will let you share your screen or select applications with the person you are talking to. With application sharing, everybody can share select contents from the device with the people they are talking to. This is very easy and the contents will be transferred in real time. The function is available for incoming and outbound calls, also when you're making a conference call. The contents will always be shared with all the participants of a conference. If you would like to share contents with others, please select Share Screen below the video image of the current call. Once you click onto this button, the selection of applications that you can share with others will pop up. If you select Desktop, you can share your entire screen with others. This selection is always available. If other applications are running on your device, these will also appear on the selection. These can be released separately. In this case, the other person will only be able to view the applications that have previously been selected. It is also possible to share several different applications at the same time. You can also block these applications again anytime you wish. Once you have released an application or your entire screen, the recipient will see a small preview above the video image, which can be enlarged. The released application will be displayed in a separate window and can be resized and positioned as pleased. Once you close a window, the contents will be displayed again with a small preview in the client. If you have shared an application with one of your contacts, you will have the opportunity to hand over the control to one of your contacts. This will give the other person the control over your mouse and your keyboard, so that the other person will be able to control the released application. Of course, you can deactivate the remote control anytime you wish. In the opened window, there is a button in the top right corner. With this button, the recipient may also ask for remote control access and control of the mouse and keyboard. The person that has initiated application sharing will then be asked whether remote control access shall be granted. This must then only be confirmed. When the call is terminated, application sharing will also be stopped automatically. Many thanks for watching and see you next time.